Here I've got OPPO A73 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here just tap on version 7 times to unlock developer options. And as you can see now, you activated developer mode. Let me go back, and now under additional settings you can find developer options right here. Smoothly click on them to activate, and at first you have to re-enter those letters. It's W, M, X, H, and here you are. So just come along with all the options, all the features, very useful details, and apply them if you want to. So for example, if you would like to destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it, just tap on the switcher. Then you can switch it off the same way. If you would like to disable USB audio routing, select it. If you want to show GPU overdraw, select it. Then if you would like to activate right to left layout, just tap here, and now you can smoothly use your phone with left hand. I will turn it off, as I do prefer my right hand while using the phone. Then you can also activate USB debugging. Just click here to do it, then click on enable, and that's it. So just come along with all the features, pick those that you would like to apply, and smoothly activate them. To turn off developer options, just tap on this switcher. Let's go back, and then if you'd like to activate them again, smoothly click here, re-enter the code, and you will be able to use them. So this is it. This is how you can unlock developer options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.